Top free AI websites to earn passive income online. The internet has completely transformed the way people make money. In the past, building a business required heavy investments, physical locations, and large teams. But today, technology, especially artificial intelligence, AI, is changing the rules of the game. Now, even individuals with no technical skills and no starting capital can build online businesses that generate passive income. When we talk about passive income, we mean income that keeps coming in even when you're not actively working. For example, creating a YouTube video that continues to earn ad revenue months or even years after you upload it, or designing a template once and selling it repeatedly on a digital marketplace. The exciting news is that there are free AI websites that can help you achieve this. You don't need to be a programmer, a designer, or a business expert. You just need an internet connection, creativity, and consistency. In this article, we'll explore the top free AI websites that anyone can use to start earning passive income online, along with practical examples of how to apply them. Why AI is perfect for passive income. Before diving into the tools, let's understand why AI is such a powerful ally for making money online. Saves time. AI automates tasks like writing, video editing, and design. What used to take hours or days now takes minutes. Free or low cost. Many AI platforms offer free plans that are more than enough for beginners to get started. Scalable. Once you create content or digital products with AI, you can replicate and scale the process without much extra effort. Accessibility. You don't need to be a tech wizard. Most AI websites are user-friendly and designed for everyday people. With this in mind, let's explore the best free AI websites you can use today. 1. ChatGPT, the all-in-one AI writer. Why it's powerful. ChatGPT is like your personal assistant for writing, brainstorming, and problem-solving. You can use it to write blog posts optimized for SEO. Create YouTube scripts that keep viewers hooked. Generate product descriptions for e-commerce stores. Draft ebooks or online guides that can be sold repeatedly. Passive income idea. Start a blog about a niche you're passionate about: health, finance, travel, psychology, etc. Use ChatGPT to create high-quality articles and monetize your blog with ads or affiliate links. Once articles are published, they can bring in traffic and income for years. 2. Canva with AI tools, design made simple. Why it's powerful. Canva combines professional design tools with AI features such as magic design and AI background removal. You can use it to design YouTube thumbnails that increase clicks. Create templates for Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok. Build ebooks, planners, or digital journals. Passive income idea. Create digital templates, resume designs, planners, business cards, etc., and sell them on Etsy, Creative Market, or Gumroad. Once uploaded, these designs can be sold over and over with no extra effort. 3. Pictory, AI video creation. Why it's powerful. Pictory allows you to turn text into professional-looking videos with stock footage, background music, and subtitles. You can use it to turn blog posts into YouTube videos. Create motivational or educational faceless content. Produce TikTok or Instagram Reels at scale. Passive income idea. Launch a faceless YouTube channel using Pictory. Focus on evergreen niches like finance, health, or self-improvement. These videos will continue to generate ad revenue long after you upload them. 4. Synthesia, AI avatars for video. Why it's powerful. With Synthesia, you can create videos featuring AI avatars that speak in realistic voices. This means you don't need to appear on camera or even record your own voice. You can use it to create educational or training content. Build product demo videos for businesses. Start a faceless YouTube channel with talking AI presenters. Passive income idea. Offer AI video creation services to small businesses on Fiverr or Upwork. Create a template video once, then replicate it for multiple clients while earning passive royalties from repeat orders. 5. Copy.ai, AI-powered marketing copy. Why it's powerful. Copy.ai specializes in creating persuasive text for ads, emails, and product descriptions. Marketing copy is essential for turning visitors into paying customers. You can use it to write product pages for an online store, generate ad copy for Facebook or Google Ads, draft email campaigns to promote affiliate products. Passive income idea: build a dropshipping store with Shopify. Use Copy.ai to write high-converting product descriptions. Add affiliate links or products, then run low-cost ads to attract traffic. Once automated, sales can come in 24/7. 6. Durable AI website builder. Why it's powerful. Durable lets you create entire websites in just a few clicks. With AI-generated copy and design, you don't need any coding or design experience. You can use it to build personal blogs or portfolio sites, launch online stores, create landing pages for digital products. Passive income idea: build niche websites around specific topics, for example, Best Hiking Gear 2025. Add affiliate links to Amazon products, publish articles with ChatGPT, and let Durable handle the design. Once the site gets traffic, affiliate sales can bring recurring income. 7. Play.ht, AI voice generation. Why it's powerful. Play.ht generates realistic voiceovers in multiple languages. It's perfect for creating audiobooks, podcasts, or narration for videos. You can use it to create audiobooks and publish them on Amazon Audible. Add narration to YouTube videos or courses. Start a podcast without ever recording your voice. Passive income idea: turn popular public domain books into audiobooks using Play.ht and sell them on Audible. Since public domain books are free to use, your only effort is creating and uploading them once. 8. Runway ML, AI video editing. Why it's powerful. Runway ML is an AI-powered editing tool that makes advanced effects simple. You can remove backgrounds, add effects, or create short clips in minutes. Passive income idea: use Runway ML to create stock videos, nature scenes, city footage, abstract backgrounds, and upload them to stock video sites like Shutterstock or Pexels. Each download earns you royalties passively. 9. Leonardo AI, free AI art generator. Why it's powerful. Leonardo AI allows you to create high-quality AI art that can be used for prints, designs, or digital products. Passive income idea: sell your AI-generated artwork as digital downloads on Etsy, or print them on demand using services like Redbubble and Teespring. Every sale is fulfilled automatically without your involvement. Building your AI passive income strategy. Now that you know the best free AI tools, here's how you can combine them into a powerful income strategy. Pick a niche, choose a subject people are searching for: finance, fitness, self-improvement, AI, etc. Create content, use ChatGPT to write articles or scripts, Canva for graphics, and Pictory/Synthesia for videos. Publish and monetize, post your content on platforms like YouTube, blogs, or marketplaces. Add affiliate links, ads, or digital products. Automate, use scheduling tools and templates to streamline your workflow. Scale up, once you see results, repeat the process across multiple niches or platforms. Final thoughts. Artificial intelligence is not just a trend, it's a revolution in how we work, create, and earn money. The websites we covered here are not only powerful but also free to start with. By leveraging them wisely, you can build online assets that generate passive income day after day. Remember, the real secret is consistency and patience. Passive income doesn't mean instant income. It means you put in the work once, and then you continue to benefit from it for a long time. So, if you've been waiting for the perfect time to start, that time is now. Explore these free AI tools, create your first piece of content, and take the first step toward building your online income streams. The earlier you start, the faster you'll see results. Key takeaway: AI has leveled the playing field. You don't need money, advanced skills, or special connections. All you need is creativity, consistency, and the willingness to use these free AI websites to start building passive income online.